Hey everyone, want to get the best deals on EcoATM and make extra cash while recycling your old devices? Today, I'm showing you the top 3 promo codes that can save you big, so stay tuned. First up, we have ASKMEOFFERS. This code can give you up to 70% off select items when using EcoATM's website. Perfect for getting more value when selling or trading your gadgets. Next, there's Kaz Ward Shao, offering a solid 25% discount. Just enter it at checkout and watch the savings roll in. Finally, don't miss Allison Mears 757. This one gives you an extra $5 off your transaction. It's a quick and easy way to get a little bonus every time you recycle. Tips: always check expiry dates so your codes are valid. Some codes can stack, giving you even more savings. Sign up for EcoATM's newsletter to get the latest deals directly. And that's it. Those are the top 3 EcoATM promo codes to maximize your savings. Hit that subscribe button for more money-saving tips and start getting the most out of your old devices today.